Have you ever pondered the possibility of living forever? Immortality, a concept often explored in the realms of mythology, fiction, and philosophy, has long captivated human imagination. Yet, what if I told you that immortality isn't just the stuff of legends and lore, but a reality in nature? Enter the immortal jellyfish, also known as Turritopsis Dohrnii, a creature that has turned the tables on the seemingly inexorable march of time. The immortal jellyfish was first discovered in the late 1980s in the Mediterranean Sea by a German marine biology student named Christian Sommer. Sommer was studying hydrozoans, a class of predatory animals that includes the immortal jellyfish, when he noticed something unusual. The Turritopsis Dohrnii he was observing didn't follow the usual life cycle of birth, growth, reproduction, and death. Instead, it seemed to age in reverse, growing younger and younger until it returned to its earliest form, a polyp, before starting the cycle anew. Over the years, further studies have revealed fascinating aspects of this creature's biology. The immortal jellyfish, unlike most other creatures, possesses the remarkable ability to revert its cells to their earliest form and grow anew. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the jellyfish to essentially hit the reset button on its life whenever it undergoes stress, illness, or physical harm. This small, transparent creature, measuring no more than 5 millimeters in diameter, has a unique life cycle that sets it apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. It begins life as a floating larva, known as a planula, which then settles on the seafloor and develops into a polyp. The polyp then buds into free-swimming, sexually mature jellyfish or medusae. But here's where it gets interesting. When faced with threats such as starvation, injury, or even old age, the medusa can transform its cells back into a polyp state, starting its life cycle anew. It's like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, or a frog into a tadpole. This biological loophole allows the immortal jellyfish to, theoretically, live forever. But before we get carried away with dreams of eternal youth, it's important to note that while the immortal jellyfish can escape the clutches of time, it isn't invincible. It can still be consumed by predators, succumb to disease, or perish in harsh environmental conditions. Its immortality, therefore, is more about its potential for endless rejuvenation, rather than an absolute defiance of death. To summarize, the immortal jellyfish, first discovered in the Mediterranean Sea in the late 1980s, possesses a unique ability to revert its cells to their earliest form and grow anew, a process known as transdifferentiation. This allows it to reset its life cycle in response to stress, illness, or injury, theoretically granting it the potential for endless life. However, while it may escape the ravages of time, it is still vulnerable to predators, disease, and harsh environments. The immortal jellyfish, a creature that dances on the edge of eternity, offers us a tantalizing glimpse into the secrets of life and longevity. It is a testament to the remarkable diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, and a reminder that sometimes truth can be stranger than fiction. The concept of immortality, it seems, isn't just confined to the pages of mythology or the silver screen. It's pulsating through the currents of our oceans in the form of a tiny, transparent jellyfish.